It's me again. I'm not going to be long. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit more about Sale-A-Bration. So if you're a demonstrator, you know we've had Sale-A-Bration going since January, but a few weeks ago, on February 16th, we had another wave of options come out, and I just wanted to kind of go over those with you and show you the fun new product that they've come out with. So this is the new little pamphlet, and they have this stamp set, Eclectic Expressions, so it looks like that. And then there's also this beautiful paper. This is really fun. It's kind of like the foil paper, like the texture of the foil paper, and it has the foil throughout, so you can kind of see the shimmery there. So there's this leafy pattern and this pretty flowery one, and then there's the cute dots, and then this cute silver stripes. And you get 12 sheets of that, so you get 3 each of those designs. And then the last one is a bundle, and it's if you order $100, you can choose this bundle. And this is the one I think I'm the most excited about. It's the Blossoming Basket. So it's this stamp set, and also it's this basket weave embossing folder, and it's a dynamic embossing folder. So I'm really excited about this. The thing I'm most excited about is right down here, it says embossing folder will be available in the annual catalog. So we know that this is gonna stick around, which makes me very excited. So I just wanted to kind of show you those. I'm gonna show you a few samples that we've come up with these. Cute, pretty foily card, or with the copper, Celebrate You. And this is also a Sale-A-Bration item, this Thinlit dies. And then I wanted to show you, you can color on this paper. This is with the Stampin' Blends too, so you can get these different looks. So here I colored the cute, they don't blend super well on there, but you can still color with them and it gives it a really pretty look. So I think that's really fun. Actually, my birthday was a few weeks ago, so Jill made this for me for my birthday, and you can see the paper down here that she used. She used the actual regular markers, and then they just kind of smeared a little, and it gave it a really cool effect on the paper. This is with the Eclectic Expressions, just a cute washi or watercolory type stamp set. Some samples of that. And then with the basket weave and the Blossoming Basket stamp set. So I used the blends on these 2 cards. I used the blends. And then Kristen, our artsy girl, she always does such amazing samples for us too, so I wanted to show hers. She used aqua painters on hers, and seriously, if you ever need something painted, she's your girl. So those are just some samples. And if you're interested in making any purchases, make sure you check the links below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.